Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what all I got in the Sephora VIB sale, and because I have my box that just came here today, so I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got. But the first thing I need for you guys to do, first thing I need for y'all to do is to go and to subscribe to my channel. And then after you subscribe to my channel, make sure you go and follow me on all my social media accounts. And after you've done that, then I guess we can get right into the video. Alright, so I have my box right here. This is everything that I got. I didn't get that much stuff because honestly I forgot the sale was coming up, and it wasn't in my budget necessarily to purchase, but I still got a nice amount of goodies, so I'm just going to share them with y'all today. Before you ask, these lashes are from my lash collection, which will be launching soon. I'll make a whole dedicated video about it when I launch the lashes, so you'll definitely be the first people to know that they're launching. But yeah, so these are from my lash collection. More information coming soon. But let's get into this box of goodies. Alright, so first thing I got, also just a heads up, I know the setting is a little bit different, like it's a little bit more like long ways instead of wide, but my lighting suffered a major loss in the lighting department, so I'm having to use my ring light. My softbox lights, the bulbs for them just kind of went haywire and they don't work, so yeah, I had to use my ring light today. So let's get into this box of stuff. Okay, we're done rambling. So the first thing I got is this Shishedo Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector Broad Spectrum SPF 42 for the face, and it's water resistant. Now, Patricia Bright mentioned this, and she said it's like a really good moisturizer. Okay, are you gonna focus? Okay. I currently don't have much like a sunscreen in my skincare regimen, so that's what I bought this for. It looks bigger on the website, but this is the size of it. It's really small. Looks like that. Okay, you can see that. But yeah, so let's see. Okay, it has like a tube, so it smells like a doctor's office or something. But I'm gonna start using this in. Wow, it's very watery. I guess you gotta shake it up before you use it, but I'm gonna start using this in my daily skincare routine, and hopefully we start to see some results in these dark spots. And I think this is about $34. I think, don't quote me on that. And then the next products I got, oh my gosh, I've been wanting this foundation for so long. I got the concealer and I love the concealer, but I've been wanting this foundation for a really long time. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and hopefully I got the right shade. I did the shade match, but it wouldn't work for me when I used the Maybelline foundation to use this as like a base. So I had to like shade match myself on like YouTube, and hopefully this is the right shade. I've been wanting this foundation for so freaking long, and I finally got it, so now I'm just like super happy. But yeah, this is the NARS Radiant Creamy Foundation in the color Macao. Oh my gosh, it's like I like the feel of the top. And it comes with the pump, of course. A lot of people love this foundation, so this I'm like, you know what, we're gonna try it out. So I'm really excited to use this because I've been wanting to get my hands on this foundation for freaking forever, like for so long. So this was about, I don't want to lie, I know that this was about $49. I think this is $49, I think. And then the next product I got is this VIB Beauty, and this is a recommendation from Juicy Jazz. I don't know if you follow her on YouTube, but this is the VIB Beauty Weekly Lip Scrub. Or was this a recommendation? No, I don't think this is. I think she recommended the lip mask, and then I seen the lip scrub and decided to get it. Wow. Okay, so it comes in this tube. It comes in this jar. I thought it was gonna be smaller, but I'm glad it's bigger. This is the VIB Beauty Weekly Lip Scrub. VIB Beauty Agave Weekly Lip Scrub, and it says with golden sugar. Oh, and then it comes with a little like brush thing. I don't know why you can't see that, but let me see. There we go. Yeah, it comes with those. It smells really good. I want to use it right now. I'm probably gonna use it tonight when I do my skincare once I take my makeup off. But yeah, this was about $30 something, something like that. This is like $30 something. And so hopefully this, because I currently have the one from like LA Girl or something, and it's not a, like, I don't want to say abrasive, but it's not abrasive enough. It's not abrasive enough. It like, if your hand is wet, when you stick your finger in there, it just dissolves in your hand, and it doesn't give me enough, like, it doesn't scrub these lips enough. So I got this one. Hopefully this one works, because it wasn't cheap, you know. It's like $30 something, so hopefully it works. Next product I got is my absolute favorite, okay? This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Oh my gosh, okay? I tried this out for the first time in a Sephora Play box, and I fell in love with it. And then I lost it, so I had to get another one. Like, I watched Juicy J's recommendation video, and she was like, the VIB Beauty lip mask is better than the Laneige lip sleeping mask. But I'm like, you know what? I haven't used nothing that's better than this Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's $20. I know this one is $20, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. And there's so much that comes in here. Like, you only need like a really, really small amount because it's really thick. And I really only use it like at nighttime or like during the day when my lips need a little bit more TLC. But I really only use it at night. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I'm glad I have like the normal size, like the full size of it, because this stuff is really good. Like, I love it. So hopefully these two, the lip mask and the VIB Beauty lip scrub, I'm gonna keep these lips in check, because my lips have currently been going through this thing lately where they're like really, really dry and crusty, and I don't like that, because if I'm not wearing lip, like sometimes I put my lip gloss on, if my lips are crusty, like it's like flakes, and I don't like that. Okay, so hopefully these two products gonna get me right, and hopefully they do, because this is like $50 something in my hand right now. Okay, next product. So the next product I got is this Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. Now I'm currently wearing the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the color Universal Glow, or Fenty Glow. I think it's called Fenty Glow. But this is in the color Sweetmouth. And I've been wanting to try this one. I just been wanting to try like another color. So I'm gonna give this color a go. It looks a lot more like pastel metallic-y in the package, but let me see how it looks when I apply it. Oh, okay. Okay, so it smells the same. Okay. I like it. It still feels the same as the Fenty Glow one. Okay, Sweetmouth, you showing me, baby. I love this, okay? I love it already. And this is $18 or $19. And then I just got two samples. The first sample I got is a Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I got this in a sample because I didn't get to get the full size of it, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it in a sample. And then I got the Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the sample as well, because I've been wanting to get this. I've been wanting to get this concealer, and I keep getting other stuff and not getting the concealer. So I was like, you know what, I'll just get this in a sample as well. Next product we have is the Fenty Beauty, what is this? I don't even remember. Oh, I got another concealer. So this is the Fenty Beauty concealer. If I can open it. So I got a new concealer because the concealer I have currently is in the shade 360, and it's a bit too bright. So I decided to get this one. This is in the shade 390, I think. Yeah, this is in the shade 390. It's a lot more. I love smelling her concealers. It's a lot, yeah, so that's a lot closer to my skin tone than 360, because the 360 one I have right now is really, really light. There's 360, and then there's 390. So as you can see, there's a big difference. So that's why I got the new concealer, because the light. This one was like way too light. I ordered this one online, so that's why I didn't know. But this one's way too light, so I just got a new concealer. And then I also been wanting this foundation for a really, 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 really long time. Okay, this is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. Okay, Now, you a real OG if you know about this foundation. You're a real OG. Okay. This, I got it in the color 495 Sue W. This foundation, oh my gosh, like, it's unclockable, okay? When I see people put it on YouTube, I just want to put their face onto my face because this foundation is just that good, okay? So it comes with a pump also, and this was $49, so this was maybe $50 easy. So hopefully we like her, okay? Hopefully we get some good wear out of her since she's so expensive. But yeah, so this is the second foundation that I really, really want. And then the last foundation that I absolutely want so bad is the Estee Lauder. I don't know why I haven't got this foundation. I just haven't gotten my hands on them, but that's going to be the next foundation I get because I got the NARS one and the Lancome one in one package. Okay, and then the last thing I got, see, I told you I didn't get a lot of stuff. And the last thing I got is this package from Dermalogica. So Jackie Aina, I don't know if you follow her or not. I don't know if y'all follow her or not, but Jackie Aina is a really, really good YouTuber. She's trusted in the skincare department, okay? And she raves about Dermalogica. So I wanted to try the Daily Microfoliant because she was raving about that, but it was sold out. So I had to get this, okay? So this is the Target Acne and Premature Aging. It's a kit. So it comes with like these 3 things inside of it. And this was $45, okay? $45. So I think it slides out. Let me see. Okay, yeah, it does. But it has this thing on it. This seal on it. Okay, let me get the seal off of it. Okay. Slides out like this. Took the seals off, man. What the fuck? Okay, you know what? I'm about to get mad. Maybe it don't slide out. Let me see. I'll have to just rip it open. How about that? Okay, now it slides out. Great. Okay, so it slides out like this. So this is the Daily Microfoliant here. It's like everything is travel size because it's like a small packaging, but I mean, like, I had to get it some type of way. So this is the Daily Microfoliant here. And then this is a age brightening serum here for like dark spots. And then this is well, this is the Age Bright Spot Fader for dark spots. And then this is the Purifier. This is the, let's see what it says, Age Bright Clearing Serum. So this is to purify your skin. I don't know, I'm just gonna let you read about this. So this is Brighten Illuminator. Does say Illuminizer? Okay, so this is the Brightener Illuminizer. So this is like the Daily Microfoliant for you to wash your face with, and then this is the serum, and it's like supposed to be like a purifier or whatever. And then this is the Fair. So this is supposed to be the unifier, which is supposed to fade your dark spots. So they all come in one pack, and this was $45. And so hopefully these products work for me, because my skin has been showing out lately. So let's see. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. It says Target Acne and Premature Skin Agent. So yeah, let me read the box because I'm trying to give you more information on the products. Okay, it says clears breakouts and visible signs of premature skin aging. So I do have laugh lines. When I do my makeup, my makeup creases in my laugh lines. So that's really what I wanted to get. I wanted to get this for that as well, because I guess laugh lines be considered fine lines, but I don't know, I just want to, you know, you're never too young to start using premature aging products. We're gonna give her a try today, okay? Today. And then hopefully we like it. So these are the products I got. I only got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only got 8 products. Normally, I would have probably gotten 15 to 20, but we were on a budget, like I said, so we had to be very modest. But yeah, so that's pretty much all for my video today. Thank you guys for tuning in to see what I got from my video. Thank you guys for tuning in to see what I got from the Sephora VIB sale, and I will see you guys in my next video. Before you go, make sure you follow me on social media so you'll know when all my products launch from my lash collection, and also follow us on Facebook and Snapchat. I'm going to leave the social media for my business and my personals in the description box, and I'm going to leave a product list of all these products in the description box. So make sure you check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.